Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm working on my truck. This is my 2021 Chevy Silverado 2500 HD, and I'm putting on some new step bars. This doesn't come with any kind of step bars on the side, so it's kind of a high step to get up in there. First I need to, got the pressure washer out. Got a lot of mud here in the wheel wells. I'm going to wash this out, get that cleaned up. But let me give you a sneak peek of these step bars we got here. But got these on Amazon. Originally I was going to put on those Amp Research power steps. And I mean, they're close to $1,600. These I found for about 200 bucks, and I think this is probably a good alternative. So the brand is this KYX, and it just has these two steps, one for the passenger or the rear, one for the front on each side. And I think I'm curious to see how they're going to look. I've seen pictures. I've seen pictures of them. I think they look good, but I want to see how they're going to look on the truck. So when we get the truck washed up, cleaned up, we're going to get it, we'll pull it back here in the garage and we'll start putting those on. Okay, we're up under the truck here, just seeing where this is going to go. All of the screw holes along the frame. So this is the very front part. This is the very front mounts. There's the rear tire down there. So all of the holes are actually plugged up with these plastic plugs, and you have to take out the ones, and you don't need every single one. So the ones that you need on this particular application, the very front two that line up, the first bracket goes in there, and then we'll use the second one, and then the very last one down there. So that's probably the hardest part, is just figuring out which ones to use. The instructions aren't that clear. They do give a picture, but they don't. You don't really know if it's these ones, it's this. These bigger ones are just holes in the frame. They're not actually there's no nut behind it like they are these ones. So let's get started. I'm gonna just screw in the bracket. Okay, I have the first two brackets on. So bracket one, it's hard to see here. This is the very front one. And then the second one here, the second one moving back, there's actually two sets of screws here. It's not this set, it's the next set over. And we just put the lock washer, regular washer, one screw on each. There is some adjustment up and down, side to side, so it's not fully tightened yet. And then the outside of the running bar is going to run along here. So the last one we have now is going to be, we're going to do the one in the back, and that'll be all three mounts. So the front two brackets here, I showed you those location, and then in the back, there's actually two sets. So there's a set of screw holes here, and then there's two right here. We're actually using the furthest most back ones, so you don't have to use every screw hole. So it's kind of you kind of have to line up the steps to where you're going to have them to know which set of screw holes you need to uncover. So these take a little bit of effort. You just have to get a screwdriver, pry it up, pop it out with some needle nose. That's kind of what I did. But I'm gonna test fit the steps up and see how they look. Okay, so as a reference here, here's our front wheel. So we've got a bracket there, bracket, so the bracket around the front door, and then one towards the back. So we're gonna test fit our step up, make sure that gets aligned, and then we can tighten it down to adjust it. All right, so I got the driver's side on. It went on pretty easily. There is some adjusting you can do once you get it. You can adjust the little brackets up and down, side to side. It was pretty level, pretty even. I just had to tighten everything down. So I think it looks pretty good. I kind of like the look of that step, as opposed to just a bar that's down all the way across. So it kind of has those drop down steps. I think it looks pretty good. So I'm going to pull the truck out. I'm going to back it in. We're going to get the other side installed, and then we'll kind of do some shots of it out in the sunlight, and we'll see how it looks.
Okay, so I have the running boards in. This is just kind of a couple views of the outside here. I think they turned out really well. They weren't that hard to install. Just a couple brackets, just bolt on, basically bolt on application. They turned out good. They look good, and they really provide a lower step to get into the truck. So I think they really help out. A couple concerns I have is one is when I'm stepping on them, there's a little bit of flex. I don't know if they're going to bend over time, but it was interesting to see how they kind of flex a little bit when I step on them. So, you know, there is a little bit of give to them. And then secondly, the finish on them it's a little shiny, so it might be a little slippery when wet. I'll have to keep an eye on that. But anyways, well, guys, thanks for watching the video. I'll update this as I use them, kind of put them into service, and kind of update you as I use them and get some experience with them. But thanks for watching the video. Be sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. Thanks.